Good morning. I was planning on waking up at 5:30. I woke up and fell back asleep, and it is 6:12. I let Victoria know that I'm going to be late. We're going to be leaving a little bit later than planned. I'm going to be getting ready as fast as I can. So, I'm trying to get ready really quickly this morning because I'm running late, but you know who isn't moving quickly? This guy. What the heck? What the heck? We do not have a lake around us. I think that's a snapper too.
How do you know?
Because by the nose.
Look how big he is.
The thing is huge. Good find, Mom. But I gotta get ready. Why is everything happening today? This is right in my neighbor's front yard. Here's the turtle. Here are deer. Turtle. Deer. Turtle. Deer. What are you doing here? How did he get here?
He probably walked.
I am leaving now. I'm about 23 minutes late. Bye-bye, Mr. Snapper. I'm heading over to Victoria's now, maybe 20 minutes later than I would have originally hoped for. But that's alright. Things happen, life happens. I'm gonna be there as soon as I can. I'm calling Victoria, but I think I heard her. Oh my gosh, babe, there's one in your house too. Been on the road for a little bit, and we are officially passing what says Yorktown, but we know it is Muncie. Well, that way's Yorktown, this way's Muncie. So anyway, we're passing our school. We're making good progress. Don't know what that was, but it's a landmark nonetheless, right? Woo! Clifty Falls! Clifty Falls!
Oh.
What? Oh shoot, we need to go.
Turn left.
Bye, Clifty Falls. It was great seeing ya. Great time. Going in to the gas station to get some water and a lighter, just in case. And what else?
I think that was it.
Let's go. We are back. Yeah, that's right. Woo! We're off. We got our little backpacks, and we're gonna go to this map and look and make sure. But we're on the trail nonetheless. That is beautiful. Woo! It's gonna be a good day, Victoria. Wow, we just missed it. Waterfall number 1. Look at that. Jeez. Oh my gosh, I'm zoomed in. So we're at like the trailhead kind of thing. We haven't gotten even into it yet, but it's gorgeous. We started on the wrong trailhead. We're into the thick of it, Victoria. Mr. Kitty.
Oh, he heard you.
How did you get out here, Mr. Kitty? Bye, Mr. Kitty. Bye-bye. Hello, Mr. Bluebird. I don't know if you're an actual bluebird, but you're a blue bird. Whoa. I didn't even look this way.
So pretty.
But real quick, seriously though. Look at this.
Look how serious, because then there's a waterfall down there.
That flows down there. And there's a waterfall right there. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Good job picking this place, babe. I was just telling Victoria that I've been so focused on looking down at the ground underneath us, and I haven't spent any time looking up at how gorgeous the sight is above us. I got the most gorgeous girlfriend. Could you hear me? No. Ha ha ha. Just sitting down for a little break? Yep. Okay. Alright. Oh my gosh.
It's slippery.
It is slippery. It's muddy. Wouldn't that have been embarrassing if on my video I slipped and fell?
Yeah.
We made it down to where Trail 8 meets Trail 2, which is just this rock bed area, creek thing that you walk through. Victoria's getting a little, putting your hands in or what? Yeah. Nice. Got 3 skips. Alrighty, we're back into it. There's where we were, right in there. Now we're back in the shade. It's very nice, right?
Yep.
Don't you like it?
I do.
Yeah. How does hopscotch go? That was a chubby dog. Well, we've come up to a fork in the road, and we have found ourselves a toilet. And we're halfway through, so it's bandana time. It looks like a toilet, doesn't it?
No.
Yeah, it does. Look.
It's not a toilet.
Look. It looks like a little toilet. Like, if there was a hole cut right there, it would be a toilet. Alright, bye-bye toilet. It is, it's time to get going again.
Whoa. Oh, be careful.
Yeah, it's a vulture. Vulture! Good spot, Victoria.
Thanks.
Oh, look, people are hanging on a hammock down there. So that's where the waterfall must be, right there. Down there, way down there. There are people. Cool, and I only had to jump a fence to get over here. I think this is going to be our spot for lunch. We're overlooking a very large drop. So we started up here. We came down all this way, all of here, came over here, walked up here, and we're right about there now. And we've just got this little bit left. And we just got a nice breeze, and we're gonna eat, so that's fine. Back at it. It's a nice little treat. We had a couple join us at the very end. They popped a squat near us, and we didn't talk. I said hello to them. They said hello. I said, have a nice day as we were leaving, and they said, we will, thank you. Okay, good stuff. It's not a great view, but it's right on the edge. Right about there ends it, and it just goes off. I'd be falling forever. Not forever, but nearly. Look at this one. Babe?
Yep.
Which path do you think gets us there? Oh, jeez. Such a tough decision. It is hot, and it is tiring going up hills. But, came across a little stand. Victoria's using it as a little bracer. I guess I will too. So, Victoria just pointed out this beautiful nature, and a little blast of industry. That's alright. Also, I'm wondering if this bag of sprees, if there has anything in it. I could go for some sprees. Could you go for some sprees?
Yep. Yeah. Where do we go?
Right through it.
Is this the tunnel?
Right there. I don't think so, but I might be wrong. There is a little bit of a waterfall here. I'm thinking that Victoria and I are gonna go stand underneath it. That felt so nice, so cool. Nice breeze.
Amazing feeling.
That was fantastic. So glad we did that one.
Me too.
And that is our trail. A big old drop. Victoria, do you need a hand?
Nope.
You sure?
Yep.
I can provide one.
Stop it! Oh my gosh. Why do you have to scare me like that?
Tunnel. I think that dark area is where we're going, right? I say we go.
Are we going through there?
We're definitely going through there, babe. Come on.
Okay.
Babe, I think we have to do it, right?
There's a trail going right around it.
I know, but I mean, if we're gonna be here, we might as well go through it, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. We're gonna get trapped.
No. Yeah, come on, let's go. This is awesome. Oh, shoot.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's getting dark.
Babe, I need you. I'm back here.
Alright. We're going in.
How far is this?
I don't know. We'll see. There isn't too much visibility here.
This is really cool.
Wow, this is really cool, but as you can see, it's pitch black, and we can't, oh my gosh, I'm standing in a huge puddle, and we can't stand up straight because it's, well, the lid is there, so, ceiling. So anyway, we're gonna continue on. This is a big puddle, as I just found out. Okay, let's go. I don't know if you guys can see at the end of this, the light. We have made it out, but there's like a tour group or something going around, so that'll be exciting, I guess. All right, well, as Victoria just said, we are at the biggest falls that they have here. It's 83 foot, and look at that. I wasn't sure that we would make it, but we did. There it is. That is so gorgeous. It's hot. So we just have about the best idea ever right now. So we've been using this bag that was filled with ice that is now cold water. We've just been placing it on our bodies, cooling ourselves down, and it's been so nice. Now we have the genius idea to soak our bandanas in it so it's nice and cold, and then we're gonna put them on our heads.
Don't mind me. Taking my time.
Hey, you traversed that very well, babe. Very well.
Thank you.
There's Lookout Point. That is where we parked. So we've just got a little bit of winding. We're almost back, babe.
Yes.
This has been quite the journey.
It really has.
Lookout point. Here you are. We believe that that is a little cliffy. We're gonna go underneath it, like those kids are. We're gonna go down, follow the path that way, and go underneath that waterfall. There it is.
What?
There's the waterfall. Whoop. So it's up there is where we were, and that's where we're going to be, right there. Now we're going to change our socks and get going. Goodbye, nice little waterfall. It's great hanging out with you. Man, that waterfall was cool, refreshing. We changed our socks there, so we have nice, clean, non-wet, sweaty socks. It feels fantastic. I feel like I could hike it all again.
I don't.
This is a little tiny, look, on either side, drops off to nothingness. Well, to something, but nothing that I want. And it's just this little path. Comes right to,
My gosh, Graham! He's doing it again. I'm terrified. That was not funny.
I think we might be out. We made it. We're out. Whew. And our car is just over there. Yes. We're waiting on the car to cool down a little bit now that we're out. It is so hot right now. Just a frame of reference, I know that we were like complaining about the heat and stuff like that a lot. It currently is 90 degrees and it's 4:30 now. So imagine how hot it was a few hours ago. So anyway, we're back at the car. I'm gonna wait for this thing to cool down. Alrighty, we are on the road. It is 4:50 and we have been heading on the road for a little bit now. We're planning on, at this rate we would be getting there at 8 o'clock, but we're gonna stop somewhere and have about an hour dinner. So it'll probably be about 9 before we get back. Sounds good. Well, because we did so well today, I am rewarding us with the most classy of caffeinated beverages. McDonald's. We're sitting here waiting for the McDonald's line, and I look over at Victoria. What are you doing?
It fit.
So we got caramel frappes down there and a medium fry that we're splitting. This is the life. Woo! There's that questionable monument again. Bye-bye, Ball State. Bye. Let's see if this looks familiar to anyone. We're at Payne's. I came here after the Indy 500. It is very hot in this car. Let's go get some food, okay?
Okay.
We made it back. Made it back from Payne's. We are heading home now. Alrighty, well, we are back, dropping Victoria off now. It's a great day.
It was.
It was exhausting,
It was.
mentally, physically,
It was.
everything, but it was a good time nonetheless. Glad that we were able to do it. Come here. Mwah.
Thank you.
Yep. Bye.
Bye. Love you.
I love you too. It was nice seeing ya.
What?
So it was nice seeing ya.
You.
Alright, bye. Well, last time we saw, there was a turtle right here. So, my estimate is that he would get maybe to here? Where did he go, Audrey? Alright, I'm back home, as you can tell. It's shower time. I am so gross right now. Alrighty, well, the day is done. I have showered, I'm clean, and it is time for me to go to bed. So with that being said, I am going to be ending this here. Got like an hour worth of footage, so I'm going to have a lot of editing to do tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going to be ending this here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow.
Yeah, this was at the
Recharging your-
Egyptian room. It was a really big venue.
What are you doing? What are you doing with your feet?
I just needed to pick that up.
You monkey.
Yeah. You gotta make use of what you have.